Shiba Inu coin holders, what's happening? As we get closer and closer to the month of October, we are trading right now in a crucial price range, and October could be a good month for Shiba Inu. Of course, with Shiba Eternity download day coming around the corner here, expected on October 1st or October 2nd. Good thing is we don't hear from the feds until November. We do get CPI data here in October, but as long as it's nothing crazy, I think we could get a few weeks, that are pretty positive and pretty green here in the cryptocurrency market. Of course, notoriously, September has been a brutal month for all markets, including crypto and Bitcoin and the altcoins. But as we get ready to turn the page into October, SHIB is sitting here again at a crucial price point. And of course, we have a lot to unpack here this week because this is the last week of September, and we're getting very, very close to download day, which could be a huge catalyst for Shiba Inu. So let's talk a little bit about what's going on here and this tight range that Shiba Inu continues to trade in. So they kind of go over the history of Shiba Inu here. We won't go into it, but of course it was created back in August of 2020, had a huge, huge 2021. And at the time of this writing, SHIB is trading right around, the 10.8 level. Okay. And we've been here before. And really, we've been here for a long time. Over the past several months, we've been kind of fluctuating in this range into the 11s and maybe even into the 12s briefly. We did have the big price increase back on August 15th, 14th, and 15th. We saw the price of Shiba Inu skyrocket there momentarily. It has dialed back. We're still up from our June lows, though. So based on the technical indicators right now, SHIB's price may come down to that support range of 5099, right? Giving back that zero briefly. If Shiba Inu breaks that support, it can find another support down at the 507. Obviously, we don't want to go all the way down there if we don't have to. Some people may beg to differ. They might want to add to their Shiba Inu bags down at that 7 level. We haven't seen it there for a while. Now, this year, the coin has been consolidating between the 4013 and that 5099. Most technical indicators are bearish, so it is not an ideal time to invest in the short term unless you're adding to your position for the long term, right? But in the short term trading right now, it's not the best time because it's been pretty narrow, right? So far in the weekly chart, and it says here it's not an ideal time to buy for the long term either. See, this I disagree with. I think when we give back that zero, and there's 5 zeros on SHIB, if you're looking at a position where you want to add to your Shiba Inu holdings, I think that is a pretty good range. That's the range I've been looking at when we do give back that zero. It says here, indeed, candlesticks are forming around the baseline of the Bollinger Bands, and most technical indicators are neutral right now. We can actually take a look at it real quick. I was looking at Luna Classic here earlier, so we'll pop in SHIB and kind of see where we're at right now. Sitting right below the 11 range right now, and this is the one-day chart. But again, we're well off those June lows. This is that 7 range that they were talking about. This is how low we could go based on the technicals if we do break support at that 9.9. But right now, we're hanging in there, and we're up a little bit on the week, up about 3.5%, and pretty flat today so far. The high has been the 11.19 range. We hit there briefly here in the one day. But let's go back over into the article here. It says, they ended here. You should avoid meme coins and prefer less risky assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum for long-term investments. I agree with this to some extent, right? So I buy Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day right now since April. Very, very small amounts, but I do think those are the best to dollar cost average into, and people are avoiding more risky trades right now. But if you are a long-term investor in SHIB and you have confidence in the project, and you're looking at those, spots where you want to add to your position, I do think when we give back that zero briefly, when it moves to 5 zeros, I think that's a pretty good time. But we'll see. This is a crucial week as we get closer and closer to download day. We'll see where we end up. We'll be tracking it all week long for you right here on the channel. I'm here every single day. Make sure you hit the like button here if you got some value. And also subscribe down below if you haven't already so you don't miss another video we put out. Appreciate you guys stopping in. We'll see you.